laughter wrapped in masquerade. Sweet words slowly turn to lies. A friend who speaks then strikes behind. Hands may shake, but hearts don't align. Truth becomes a thing to trade. The strong will speak, the weak will fade. Promise is written on sandy shores, disappear when the ocean roars. Only cigarettes and coffee stay true. In the dark, they see me through. Only cigarettes and coffee remain. Silent friends who understand my pain. One drag to calm the storm inside. One sip to let the heartbreak slide. When the world decides to leave, cigarettes and coffee still believe. At this table I softly speak of a world disguised and bleak. Everyone fighting to seem sincere, while only masks are circulating here. I don't need fake company, just a cup of coffee, a cigarette with me. They don't judge the scars I hide. They don't ask why I hurt inside. Only cigarettes and coffee stay true. In the dark, they see me through. Only cigarettes and coffee remain. They say nothing, yet never walk away. One drag to calm the storm inside. One sip to let the heartbreak slide. When the world decides to leave, cigarettes and coffee still believe. Cigarettes and coffee. More than just a habit, silent witnesses to a life surrounded by counterfeit truths. The night falls slowly without a sound. Silver light is pouring down. Under the same full moon we knew, I once stood there holding you. Your laughter danced in midnight air. Now silence still shine, but I can see they glow without you next to me. Time keeps moving, I remain lost inside this quiet pain. Oh, full moon, witness of our love. You watched us dream beneath your glow above. Now every beam that lights the sky feels like a tear I cannot cry. You saw the promise in our eyes before goodbye, before goodbyes. Under your light I stand alone, longing for love now gone. I trace your name in pale moonlight, whispers drifting through the night. Every shadow on the ground feels like you are still around. The bench where we would softly stay holds the warmth of yesterday. But when I reach to feel your hand, I touch the dark, I understand. You're beyond what I can see, still you're living here in me. Oh, full moon, witness of our love. You watched us dream beneath your glow above. Now every beam that lights the sky feels like a tear I cannot cry. You saw the promise in our eyes before the final silent goodbye. Under your light I stand alone, longing for road now gone. If your light can reach so far, shine on where you are. Tell my love I'm missing you with every breath I'm going through. Oh, full moon, hold her close tonight. Wrap her gently in your light. Tell her my heart still remains, calling softly through the pain. Until the day my soul can fly beyond the dark, beyond goodbye. I'll wait beneath your silver tomb, forever longing under the full moon.
Beneath the same sky I pray, though distance keeps us far away. You went to a foreign land, leaving endless longing in my hands. I walk through the days alone, guarding the love you've always known. I'm waiting for my love to come home, faithfully standing on my own. No other love can make me sway, though lonely time feels painful and blue. I'm waiting for my love to come home, faithfully standing on my own. No other love can make me sway. The loneliness comes my way. Your name lives inside my heart till you return into my arms.
You said forever with a steady smile, promised me the world at least for a while. But then you chased a brighter light, left my love in a cold of night. You thought the grass was greener there, didn't see the truth, didn't even care. You walked away without a tear, while I was drowning in my fear. Now you're standing at my door, but I don't feel it anymore. It's your fault, don't blame me now. You broke the bridge, you burned it down. You traded love for something new. Now you're crying cause it wasn't true. You let me go, you made that choice. You silenced my heart, ignored my voice. Now you wanna come back home, but my heart has turned to stone. He hurt you like you hurted me. Now you finally start to see the love you had was strong and real. Not just a game, not just a thrill, but scars don't fade that easily. You can't rewrite our history. You say you changed, you say you've grown, but I survived here on my own. The door you closed is locked so tight. No more chances, no more fights. It's your fault, don't blame me now. You broke the bridge, you burned it down. You traded love for something new. Now you're crying cause it wasn't true. You let me go, you made that choice. You silenced my heart, ignored my voice. Now you wanna come back home, but my heart has turned to stone. I gave you love, I gave you trust. You threw it all away for lust. Now you're begging on your knees, but I'm not who I used to be. The tears I cried made me strong. Without you, I moved alone. It's your fault, that's the truth. I won't relive my broken youth. You chose your path, you played your part. Now you can't come back to my heart. You had your chance, you let it fall. I won't catch you when you crawl. You left me once, now I'm free, and you're just a memory. You lost my love, you lost your way. Now there's nothing left to say. It's your own fault, and I'm okay.
Dulu semua kata manismu jadi alasanku bertahan. Walau tiap malam hatiku kau tinggal tanpa kepastian. Chat yang kau hapus diam-diam, janji yang sering kau ingkar. Aku pura-pura tak paham, padahal hati sudah retak. Maafmu datang lagi dan lagi, seolah ku tak punya harga. kau sembunyikan, takut ketahuan yang lain. Katamu cuma hilafan, nyatanya berulang lagi. Bodohnya ku percaya setiap drama air mata. Kini cukup sudah, aku bukan siapa-siapa. Maafmu tak berarti, hati ini sudah kebal sakit yang kau beri. Emang gue pikirin tangismu yang udah basi. Dulu ku kejar kamu, sekarang terserah pergi. Emang gue pikirin janji yang kau ulang lagi. Cinta murah begitu, bukan buatku lagi. Kini ku angkat kaki, tanpa takut kehilangan lagi. Terima kasih luka, kau buatku dewasa. Belajar dari rasa yang tak dihargai cinta. Emang gue pikirin kalau kamu balik lagi. Pintu sudah ku kunci, tak ada tempat di sini. Emang gue pikirin semua kata rayuanmu. Aku sudah merdeka dari sakit karena kamu. Sekarang ku bahagia, walau tanpa cinta palsumu. Emang gue pikirin sekarang bukan aku yang menangis.
Dulu kau datang bawa sejuta janji, katanya cinta suci sampai mati. Tapi saat dompetku lagi sepi, kau menghilang tanpa permisi. Kini ku sadar satu hal pasti, cinta tak bisa bayar listrik tiap hari. Rayuan manis tak isi nasi, realita hidup butuh materi. Bukan ku tak punya rasa, hanya lelah terluka. Romansa indah di udara, tak cukup buat bayar kontrakan kita. Aku tak butuh cinta yang datang cuma bawa luka. Aku tak butuh janji yang hilang saat dompet nipis nanti. Aku tak butuh cinta, maafkan bila terdengar hina. Yang ku butuhkan sekarang nyata, bukan rayuan tapi harta. Kau bilang cinta itu sederhana, asal bersama tak peduli apa. Tapi hidup bukan cuma drama, ada cicilan yang harus dibayar juga. Bunga mawar tak bisa jadi beras, puisi indah tak bikin hidup lunas. Aku belajar jadi realistis, daripada manis tapi tragis. Jika cinta hanya cerita, sedang hidup terus meminta, izinkan aku memilih logika, daripada tenggelam dalam air mata. Aku tak butuh cinta
Kau genggam erat tanganku, berjanji takkan pernah berlalu. Katamu aku satu-satunya tempat pulang dan bahagia. Namun angin datang membawamu pada cinta yang kau bilang baru. Kau lepaskan aku begitu saja, tanpa rasa bersalah sedikit pun juga. Aku terdiam, menahan perih, melihatmu pergi memilih dia. Sekarang kau datang lagi dengan luka di hati. Katamu dia menyakiti dan kau ingin kembali. Maafku tak seperti dulu, menunggu tanpa ragu. Hatiku sudah tertutup sepi. Ini salahmu sendiri. Air mata pernah jadi saksi betapa hancurnya hati ini. Kau kira aku akan tetap di tempat sama menunggumu menetap. Waktu mengajarkanku tegar, menyusun hati tanpa gemetar. Kini ku berdiri tanpa bayangmu, tanpa sisa harap untukmu. Jangan lagi kau ucap rindu, semua itu sudah berlalu. Sekarang kau datang lagi dengan luka di hati. Katamu dia menyakiti dan kau ingin kembali. Maafku tak seperti dulu, menunggu tanpa ragu. Hatiku sudah tertutup sepi. Ini salahmu sendiri. Saat ku butuh, kau tak peduli. Saat ku hancur, kau tak kembali. Kini ku bahagia tanpamu. Jangan ganggu lagi hidupku. Jangan kau datang lagi, tak ada ruang di sini. Cintaku bukan untukmu. Jangan coba-coba merayu. Hatiku telah ku kunci, takkan ku buka lagi. Jika kau menyesal kini, itu salahmu sendiri. Pagi hari duduk di teras rumah, kopi hitam menemaniku berserah. Hidup ini tak perlu disesali, yang penting senyum